Hey everyone, got a 92 GMC K1500 regular cab 8-foot bed 4x4 rust-free truck. It's got very faded paint on it, a few dings and dents. It runs and it lot drives forward, but it does not go in reverse. Sounds like a Flowmaster muffler on it. Doesn't sound too bad. It's got 240,000 miles. .7 throttle body injection. Underside, rust-free body. It's got a toolbox. So if you're interested in a solid project, regular cab, half-ton 4x4, 350 V8 automatic, it goes forward but it doesn't go backwards. Just got to plan out your route a little bit and you'll be all right. Rust-free truck. Send us an email, give us a call. No trades, no financing. Show up with the money in a trailer and you can load this one up. Thanks for watching.